Yeah.
It takes some finesse. I see you finesse. He can't do finesse. Yeah. You stay on my mind.
Okay guys, so it's currently like 10 o'clock in the morning. I have a long day ahead of me. So basically today is going to be like a little vlog of me getting ready for a photo shoot for my friend, my B. I'm going to put her information in the description box if y'all want some lip glosses. But yeah, I'm a part of a photo shoot for her. So I'm going to vlog a little bit of that and me getting ready. So that's what today's video is going to be. Excuse my raspy voice, I did wake up. And that's all look like this, but let's get started. Okay guys, I'm currently just home with my cousin. My mom took the dog to the dog park. So I'm just gonna start getting ready, honestly. I have to be at the shoot at 1 o'clock. It was 12:30, but now she said 1 o'clock. So I'm just gonna brush my teeth, wash my face, take a shower. Then my mom should be home because she's the one that's doing my makeup. So let's hop right in. Okay y'all, I'm about to hop in the shower. I just wanted to show y'all some little products I will be using that will help you smell good, whatever. So I just have this Tree Hut Shea Sugar Scrub and the scent Tropical Mango. Y'all, this stuff smells so good. You can get it at Walmart for like $6 or it might be $3. I'm pretty sure it's $6 though. But yes, y'all, get this. Y'all see me again. I should be getting my makeup done and doing my hair and getting dressed and all that good stuff. Okay guys, I just finished doing my eyebrows. I don't know if you guys could tell because of the lighting, but I'm waiting for my mom to get home. It's 11:30. I remember telling y'all, or maybe I didn't tell y'all, she's supposed to do my makeup at 11 and it's gonna take like 30 minutes. But she's not home, so I just went ahead and did my eyebrows. But yeah, she's not answering the phone, none of that. So hopefully I won't have to do it myself. I mean, good thing I have to go in at 1, but still. But anyway, y'all, I need like a black silk robe because this is childish. Like, I can't believe I'm even showing y'all this now, but like, this is childish. So if y'all know where I could get like a nice black silk robe, put it in the description box. But well, would you look at who's here? Papa? Look at who's here.
I shouldn't be here. I don't live here.
You're late. Angie, you're late. You're supposed to be here at 11 o'clock. It's 11:30. I went ahead and did my eyebrows. Look at you. You didn't even answer your phone. I really started getting concerned.
I was trying to tell you I had no reception.
Yo, y'all, I got the creepiest phone call from her. It was like this radio action. I'm like, is she okay? And then when I texted her, are you okay? Her response was iron. And I'm like, question mark, Ma, are you okay? And she never responded. And
I was
you
saying
it texted me iron.
It did?
Yes, that's why I started to get concerned. I'm like, what's going on?
Wow. Your mother's okay? I'm safe, thank you.
I guess now y'all be able to see
Summer things, okay?
now y'all excuse me.
Papa, come on, Bobby.
Now I'll be able to record her doing my makeup, so see y'all then. Okay, y'all, so there was a change of plans. My mom didn't want to be recorded doing my makeup, but here's the finished result. Nice natural beat. It's cute, whatever. I'm dressed. I'll show y'all the outfit, but yeah, this is what I'm looking like. Photo shoot ready, period, if y'all need any models. So y'all, that concludes this video. I know I should have recorded more footage, but we were just out all day. You hear Mama in the background telling the dog to get down? Anyway, we were out all day. We did the shoot from like 1 to 4 something ish, and then we went on to eat. So I should have recorded that, but I was so hungry and I just couldn't think it. I just ate. We went to Fridays, but the photo shoot was a success. Hopefully by the time I put this out, I'll be able to insert some pictures. However, I did not like my pictures, but whatever. It was just to support my friend. We had fun. It was a success. But y'all, I just want to thank you for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Subscribe. That pretty much sums it up. Come back for another piece of cake. Mikaylah Rochelle is out.